Hey everybody, and welcome to the all-new MPG 2750BH floor plan. Now with every MPG, you're going to get 5-sided aluminum construction, Asdale sidewall composite, and the tallest ceiling height measuring at 6 foot 11 inches. So with that, let's take a look at this all-new floor plan. Hey everybody, welcome to the inside of the all-new 2750BH. We're going to start here in the back of the floor plan and work our way up. So starting off here in the bunkhouse, you have a true double over double that's going to accommodate up to 4, maybe even 5 campers depending on their size. What you're going to be looking for and getting as standard from MPG: 2 large windows giving you a lot of natural light during the day. You have privacy shades that will be standard, and all of these windows will open, giving you a lot of natural, nice, cool breeze. You also have LED lighting throughout this bunkhouse, and it's going to be ideal to accommodate those campers. All right, so if we move our way up, I now want to talk about your entertainment cabinet. You're getting a lot of nice features as standard from MPG, including this large TV, an integrated soundbar with built-in HDMI, as well as USB. This is going to be really nice should your campers bring an accessory item like a PlayStation 5. Gone are the days of trying to run that cable behind the TV. You simply take that HDMI cord, plug it into the face of the soundbar, and it will project on the TV. You're also going to get a nice 30-inch fireplace as well as standard, and a lot of storage in the way of these nice hardwood cabinetry. MPG listened to the customer. They're hitting on what's trending. Light and color, neutral wood tones, and a great look, giving you a lot of function here in the entertainment cabinet. Now, moving into the kitchen, I want to talk about the appliances first. Big upgrade by MPG with this 10.7 cubic foot electric refrigerator. You're going to have a microwave also as standard. 3-burner stove with glass top, allowing you to extend the use of this large, beautiful pressed countertop with a nice, soft, beveled edge. Continuing on, you have nice utility with this cutting board, as well as a cover for your farmhouse style sink. You've got raised hardware, as well as a high faucet, and a very nice look and very residential with these nice glass inserts with storage throughout this entire kitchen. All right, everybody, now let's talk about this massive slide box. Starting off over here, directly across from the entertainment cabinet, you have a tri-fold sofa. Very, very nice in the way of utility. Of course, this is going to fold out and accommodate for your guests in the evening. You also have USB charging stations for your smart devices here to enjoy during the day. Also, when we talk about enjoyment, you got to talk about your comfort. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 massive windows that are going to open and give you a lot of natural light, but most importantly, you don't have to rely on that AC. When you have the privacy shades down, you have nice LED lighting throughout this slide box. All right, and we're not done yet with this slide. We want to talk about this massive U-shaped dinette that's going to accommodate a lot of guests to sit comfortably. This, of course, will fold down and collapse to yet another location for all of your camping guests to sleep. All right, everybody, now we are here in the front of this floor plan, and I want to talk about the master suite. You will see king-size beds in other travel trailers. What you won't see is the amount of room that you get with MPG. Why? Because they have a patent-pending king bed slide system that allows you to move the entire king-size bed either to left or to right to utilize the elongated nightstands on both sides. So now when you had a king-size bed and you didn't have a lot of room, that's not going to be an issue with MPG. You can move this around, get ready each and every morning. When we talk about getting ready, let's talk about utility in the way of storage. It spans across the entire width of the king-size bed with wardrobe closets on both sides, giving you a lot of room to store everything that you need for you and your family when camping. So if you are looking for an ultralight travel trailer with a king-size bed, you're going to get it with MPG. What you're also going to get is a ceiling height that is the tallest in its category at 6 foot 11 inches. There's many more features to learn about, so please continue doing your research by going to cruiserrv.com. Thanks, everybody.